Yeah, this is VFC from VFC's Travels, and here we are at the Sweet Dreams Inn in Key West. This is in the quiet part of town, local part of town, 3-minute walk from Higgs Beach. It's the closest guest house, closest to a public beach in Key West. There's a variety of suites here. You can fit anywhere from a couple all the way up to 13 people if you want. It's a beautiful, quiet, tranquil location. The Hemingway suite has itself a private little pool back there, and then there's a community area with another little cocktail pool. You can rent bikes from here, you can lounge in the sun from here, you can just chill out and listen to the birds sing, and we're going to take you through and show you all the suites at the Sweet Dreams Inn in Key West. This is a fantastic option for lodging down here in Key West, especially if you have big groups, big family, and you all want to stay together.
Hello, welcome to the personal touch at Sweet Dreams Inn by the beach.
Yeah.
This is our common area. It can comfortably seat up to 50 guests for weddings, which we have done quite often here. We have very comfortable hammock swings. We even have a putting green in the back corner. We have a giant Hayden mango tree as well during June. All guests have their fill of mangoes. And we have bike rentals too here at the Sweet Dreams Inn. We also offer licensed massage therapy. We can do that out here in the common area or in your suite or by the pool.
All right, Mark, thanks so far for showing us this beautiful place in Key West. It really is a hidden gem. And one question ask you that our viewers would be glad to hear is, what's unique about the Sweet Dreams Inn in Key West? What do you have to offer that other places might not have to offer?
Well, Sweet Dreams Inn was the original licensed guest house in the early 90s in Key West. We have a shaded garden setting. We are the closest guest house to a beach, which is Higgs Beach, which includes pickleball courts, tennis, professional bocce courts, sand volleyball. We have 5 great restaurants within walking distance of us, but we're quiet, so you can sleep in the morning after your loud day of partying down at the other end of Duval Street.
And you mentioned 5 great restaurants, and I noticed that when I was reading through your website. Can you mention just a couple of what those restaurants are?
Well, Salute's on the beach, Oasis, which is a Mediterranean restaurant on White Street Pizza, Moe's, which is a Haitian restaurant, and El Siboney, which is Cuban. And of course, the restaurants in the Casa Marina are a block away as well.
Nice, excellent. Love all of those suggestions and recommendations. And as you pointed out, they're all within walking distance. You also mentioned that you rent bikes here.
Yes.
Are they on property here? Or?
Yes, very convenient for the guests. We have several bikes on property, so you don't have to go out or call anyone or wait for pickup or delivery. And we're very comfortable with renting them just for half a day or a couple hours if you want to go to the grocery store, or we have weekly rates as well as the daily rates. Nice. And they are well maintained and ready for your use.
What do we got back here?
Well, here's the side of Sweet Dreams Inn near Grinnell Street. We're on the corner of Von Pfister and Grinnell. We have grills if you want to grill your catch after your fishing day. We have another pool for our common area. This is our cocktail pool, nicely shaded by the Ixoria bush. Has a nice big seat around it for sipping your favorite beverage in the shade. And if you need some sun, you can relax in our lounging area, which is the only sunny spot in Sweet Dreams Inn on purpose. So you're shaded, you're cool. Oh, and by the way, I almost forgot, we offer discounts to the military.
Excellent.
This is on the way to our Old Town suite. You can be in the middle of the tropics as you walk into your private outdoor space, which every suite does have a private outdoor space, by the way, into our Old Town suite. This particular suite is one of the most colorful of our 5 accommodations. All of our suites have a kitchenette. This particular suite connects through that door to our 1,100 square foot Hemingway suite, and we'll talk about that in a bit. This suite has a futon bed, which would sleep 2. If you need to sleep 4 in the suite, we have 2 here on the queen, and a bathroom off the bedroom. So it's very convenient. And welcome to our treehouse suite, our only 2nd floor accommodation. This particular suite sleeps 6, 2 in our California King, 2 out here in our trundle bed, 2 in our queen bedroom, all sharing one bathroom. So this suite is meant for the family that is very close.
Perfect.
Being the treehouse suite, we have a balcony for our guests with 2 very comfortable lounge chairs right in the branches of our frangipani. A lot of guests just sleep outside.
You ever get any of the Key West chickens that jump on the branches and try to sleep with you?
Actually, they never have come in here.
Nice, that's interesting.
Once in a while, there are a few out in the neighborhood, and they're generally chased away.
Notice there's a bunch of snacks and food on the tables. Do you serve meals or do you serve a breakfast? Or?
Well, we've decided not to offer the full hot breakfast, only because there are so many wonderful breakfast places here on the island that we love for our guests to enjoy all the local breakfast establishments. But we did want to offer a selection of snacks for the guests. It's available anytime they arrive. So if a guest arrives late and they're hungry, it's right there for their convenience. We also offer fresh Florida grapefruits out under our cabana, and we have our Hayden mango tree, so in June they have plenty of mangoes.
Nice.
Great breakfast places here in Key West. Not too far away, maybe a 10-minute walk, is Anna's Cafe, or the Banana Cafe, or Le Grenon right next to it. Going a little further, of course, Blue Heaven, and Breakfast Club 2 on the other side of the island.
Excellent recommendations, all of those.
So this would be the garden suite. Again, a private outdoor space. And this particular suite, like the Old Town, sleeps 4. 2 on the pull-out sofa bed. And then, in this case, a full king-size bed, which with, I might add, a pure memory foam mattress, which is excellent for anyone with back problems. And of course, the old school bathrooms, tile bathrooms. We have the kitchen, which in this case has a breakfast nook as well, overlooking our gardens. Very cozy and comfortable, just like home. Welcome to the private outdoor space of our Duval room. This is our only non-suite accommodation. This is our king bedroom, our most cost-efficient accommodation, but yet still has a fridge, microwave, toaster, coffee, etc. This one has a walk-in closet as well as a bathroom with actually the largest shower of all of our accommodations.
Smallest room, largest shower.
Go figure.
I get it.
In every accommodation we have a history of our inn, as well as some details about our other guest house in Corrales, New Mexico, next to Albuquerque. As I mentioned, this Sweet Dreams Inn is the first licensed guest house on the island in the early 90s. It was a private home. The couple that developed it, the sister-in-law had a relationship with the Hemingway boys, taught them how to speak French, and there's a plaque in the Hemingway house that documents that. The descendants of the builders mentioned to us after they came down to visit us, said, well, they entertained a lot. They entertained President Truman and his wife. They mentioned that Albert Einstein slept here, as well as Truman Capote. So this historic building is not just a guest house. And we really love the folks that are new to Key West. I spend a lot of personal time when we check in a guest, answering their questions, explaining a lot of the history of Key West, the more well-known stories as well, and pointing things out on the map, plenty of wonderful places to visit. So again, the personal touch is what we specialize in. Now, as I mentioned, our guests feel like home when they stay here with us, and we can accommodate anywhere from 1 guest up to 13 in one single suite. So it's a very unique setup, and this particular suite, our Hemingway suite, is our best example of a home away from home. This is our hidden gem. 1,100 square feet.
Wow.
Sleeps 6. And then it also connects to 2 other suites, one through the door on your left of the fireplace, and then one to the right, down the hallway to the bedrooms. And we were just in the Duval room, which is to the right. The Hemingway suite has a queen bedroom and a king bedroom, each with their own private bathrooms. So if you have a family that certain groups want their own privacy, this would be the suite for you. Whether it be 13 for a family reunion, or just 2 for a honeymoon or a private retreat, because this is our clothing optional suite and clothing optional pool. This is the master king bedroom, a double sink in the bedroom, and direct access to a private sun deck, private pool, your own grill.
And just to emphasize, this area is private to the Hemingway suite.
This is
correct?
private only to our Hemingway suite. Tall fencing, so this is available for our clothing optional guests. If they just want a tan without tan lines and just to relax, au natural. We also have an outdoor shower for them as well. And in keeping with our garden setting, we brought a garden back here to the back deck of the Hemingway as well.
And again, how many can you accommodate in the Hemingway suite?
Well, the Hemingway suite alone sleeps 6, 2 in each bedroom, 2 on the pull-out in the living room. But it can attach to 2 other suites, so it can sleep 13 all total. And we can also be offered as a 3-bedroom home. So for those folks that want to lease a 3-bedroom unit, the Hemingway 2 bedrooms plus the Duval room, you have 3 bedrooms with private bathrooms in a large home-like environment with a private pool. This is a very unique guest house. It can be configured in any way you can possibly need.
Nice. Home away from home, for sure.
Absolutely. Side dining room and a full kitchen. Full-size appliances, every kitchen gadget you can imagine. Both a Keurig and a drip coffee maker, grills, waffle makers, rice cookers, blenders, microwave, toasters. My pleasure to introduce you to Sweet Dreams Inn by the Beach and our unique property, our unique suites that makes you feel like you're at home on your vacation in Key West. We look forward to hosting you, and we hope to see you soon. Bye for now. Aia.
No, he just closed, didn't he? Yeah.
Every suite has, like I say, welcome to Sweet Dreams.